Be honest, does the thought of parallel parking make you sweat? Here's the good news. Once you know the steps for how to reverse park, it's way easier than you think. In Australia, reverse parallel parking isn't just a driving test classic, it's part of everyday road etiquette. When Youi surveyed 2,000 Aussies on unofficial road rules during February and March 2024, more than 80% said waiting for another driver to finish parking before passing is the right thing to do. But only half said they always do it. So let's go through how to reverse parallel park so you feel a little more confident on the roads. First, line up your car parallel to the vehicle in front of the space, leaving about a meter between you. Make sure your rear bumpers are roughly aligned. Next, put your car into reverse, check your mirrors and blind spot, and begin slowly reversing while steering sharply toward the curb. This will angle the rear of your car into the space. Once your front wheel is roughly level with the back of the car in front, start straightening your steering wheel and keep reversing until your car is almost in line with the curb. Now adjust as needed. If you're too far away from the curb, steer slightly towards it while reversing. If you're too close, steer away. When you're straight and centered between two cars, you're done. And here's the etiquette part. If you see someone else trying to reverse parallel park, the polite move is to wait until they're finished. According to our survey, most Aussies know this unofficial road rule, but not everyone follows through. So that's how to reverse parallel park with less stress. For more everyday explainers like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.